And a judge has granted two widows of former President Daniel Arap Moi's eldest son, Jonathan Moi, more time to file papers in a succession case pending before the High Court. Appearing before Justice Aggrey Mchelule today, the widows, Beatrice Mbuli and Faith Nyambura, asked the court to grant them at least 7 days to file their objections in the case. The two widows accused the late Jonathan's first wife, Sylvia Torotich, of concealing material facts and leaving them out as beneficiaries of the estate. Sylvia had been granted temporary orders to administer the estate. Justice Mchelule adjourned the matter to the 26th of November. Meanwhile, a witness today told the court that Joseph Irongo, alias Joey, was in Monica Kimani's house on the night she was murdered. Lee Owen Omondi, one of Monica's acquaintances, told the court that he had gone to pick up a package at Monica's apartment when he met Joey and another man introduced to him as Walid. Omondi told the court that Monica introduced Walid as a very good friend and neighbor who had come to visit her when he heard she had returned from South Sudan, and Joey as someone who works in security for Interpol and the Office of the President. Meanwhile, the judge has today disqualified himself from hearing a case on the dispute that has rocked the Nairobi Hospital Board. Justice David Majanja disqualified himself owing to the fact that he is related to some of the doctors working at the hospital. The matter will now be heard by Justice Helen Okwani. The parties involved in the dispute were directed to appear in court tomorrow for direction. The commercial court has stopped the eviction and demolition at the properties owned by the family of the late billionaire and former Starehe MP Gershon Kirima in a case that has been certified as urgent. A private developer named in the suit as Peter Monyeri Kaka Arena is accused of invading the half-acre plot along City Park in Limuru Road. Business people were evicted from the premises by an auctioneer representing the private developer, but Kirima's family, through his daughter-in-law Rachel Ndei Kirima, have since served a court order to the OCS Parklands police station. The family argues that the land had been under their ownership from 1982. Ndei has accused the private developer of faking title deeds and using the same to seek in court orders. The land is currently under police control. Two people, Kennedy Otieno Ochieng and Simon Ogola Onyango, arrested at the premises and accused of causing chaos and harassing Kirima's widow, are still in custody after they failed to meet the bail terms. The case will be heard on the 3rd of next month before Senior Resident Magistrate Kivuti.